Actually, that was a good moment right there to teach a little bit. So I'm cutting this piece of 3/8 by 3/8 molding, and my head's cut off, but I'm cutting this piece of 3/8 by 3/8 molding, and sometimes it might get bound up in the chop saw, and it'll want to shred. It won't cut. It'll cut it, grip it, shred it, want to pull it into the blade, and very hazardous. So if you simply take a thicker piece of material, put it on the saw, and then put your piece on there, it'll help protect your fingers, your body. Safety first.